We're at HEB and we have to go to the car.
Okay, ready?
One, two, three, go. Go, go, go. My socks are. Well, the receipt is wet. A quick haul for you.
Oh yeah.
Here's what we got at HEB.
Hold on. Hello? Okay.
Paper.
That's really bad.
Super soggy. We got paintbrushes.
And
You
we
can
got
probably
this.
guess what we got next.
I'm really
Oh
excited
wait,
about this.
probably not.
You can probably guess. Yeah, for sure. This one.
That's what they look like. Now we are in the basement. My sock.
My socks.
Or the paper is already wet, so we don't need water for our watercolors. Okay.
I'm drying my feet off. What in the world is going on?
There was a little pack of watercolors and a big pack, and we bought the big pack.
Yeah, because we are better than everyone.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do a self-portrait of you.
Okay.
That's her eyeshadow. I don't know why I chose to do the eyeshadow first. I just,
What's the most colorful thing about you?
I'm
Other
living
than
on
my
the edge.
personality.
You can use my pee towel.
Okay.
Okay, I gotta go get food and things. I'm upstairs. I'll be right back.
Okay.
I'm taking my keys up there too. Also, I'm gonna show my dad that I'm back. I'll be right back.
I don't know what I'm supposed to do. He's back.
Hey
I'm not
guys.
lonely anymore. I'm
So
scared.
this is my update on Claire.
Touch it. There's two different colors.
Yeah. We're gonna
Delete that.
we're gonna cut that one out.
Yeah. Oh, this is not orange.
Claire, you're looking so good.
I know. Are you ever gonna get married?
No, I'm
Yeah.
just kidding. I am.
I
I'm
hope
gonna
so.
marry you.
Oh,
Oh.
is that a proposal?
No, I don't think I'll understand how to. Okay.
Oh!
Oh, it's so good. It's ugly.
Okay.
It just doesn't look like Claire right now. Put the hood on.
Thumbnail.
Thumbnail. Okay, brown, yellow, brown, yellow.
Oh! It's not slime. It's ooey goo.
Mhm.
Well, no. Look, this should be the thumbnail. This should be the thumbnail. You broke it.
I was like, okay, this will be good.
Rain makes me do things.
I think the world makes you do things every day, and you just like blame it on the rain.
Blame it on
The rain. I have Spotify, you dudes,
Then why do you have the app?
because I like to pretend I have. I like to pretend that I have Spotify Premium, and then when people are like, "Hey, play this song on Spotify," I'm like, "Haha, okay," and then I go to Apple Music. So that I'm cool,
Yeah.
because I don't want anyone to know that I'm an Apple Music person.
Why?
Because
It's something you need to be ashamed
it's
about.
something.
Emily.
It's something.
You have so many other things you could be ashamed about.
Like I just feel like I need
My
to
feet
talk-
are asleep, both of them. You know in H2O
Show your
when they're
foot.
like get wet and
Yeah.
then they turn into a mermaid? That's what's happening right now.
Your feet are just scaly. Look at it. You're turning into a mermaid.
They are scaly.
I know.
Come sit.
I know. We've run into a problem. Well, you know what? I will run into your problem.
April showers bring May flowers. It's Emily. Okay. See you later, vlog.
Okay, bye.
Why were they open?
We already have our.
I'm gonna get mono now.
Oh my God! She looks like a
I
homeless
thought
man.
she was homeless. Catch it! Your electrolyte!
Do a mukbang. Mukbang.
It was Walkers. Claire Evans is making a comeback. Yeah. Hi guys.
Oh, that's it. Bye. Bye. You guys love you so much. Mwah. You guys are so great.